This video demonstrates how to perform the defrosting and cleaning protocol for the compressed foam cryostat CF-6100. To begin, open the sliding glass door. Then, double tap the dry button at the bottom right of the home screen. The button will illuminate blue, and you'll hear a click followed by a low hum. This indicates that the heating is activated. The drying mode raises the temperature above 0 degrees Celsius to remove frost. For complete drying, keep the sliding glass door open for approximately 4 hours to prevent excess ice buildup. Please note that drying mode is a maintenance procedure, not a setting. The drying cycle will cancel if the temperature is adjusted or the glass door is closed. When this happens, a red icon will appear at the top of the screen, and the dry button will no longer be illuminated. Additionally, be sure to schedule the defrost, sleep, and disinfect cycles during times when the cryostat is not in use, such as overnight. To do this, tap the function button in the left column and set the defrost, sleep, and disinfect cycles to your preferred times. This helps maintain the performance and longevity of your cryostat. For further maintenance assistance, please contact us at info@precisionary.com.